ServiceNow AI Lens transforms visual data into actionable intelligence in the ServiceNow AI platform using generative AI. You can scan anything on your screen: emails, error logs, documents, even handwritten notes, and automatically fill out forms with the right data in the right fields, or display a preview of the analyzed data. Users on the ServiceNow AI platform can leverage its many features and benefits. Key features include extracting data from any source, auto-filling forms instantly, adding custom prompts for tailored outputs, supporting multi-capture and file uploads, and using standalone mode for desktop or mobile. Users can benefit based on their role in the platform, such as requesters submitting tickets faster, agents getting instant context for quicker resolution, and developers generating code from sequence diagrams automatically. Now let's see how Ravi, a customer service agent, uses ServiceNow AI Lens to create an incident from a server error, and then to transcribe a messy handwritten note. Ravi comes across a server error that he needs to create an incident for. He navigates to the incident list and selects Create with Lens. He's prompted to open the app. The scanner appears on top of the screen. He switches tabs to display the error, drags the scanner to fit over the error, and clicks Analyze. In seconds, the new incident form is populated with a short description and appropriate technical details. A notification displays that the incident form was successfully filled by Now Assist. Ravi returns to the form and reviews it. It looks good, so he submits it. A new record has been created. Ravi's next task is to transcribe a handwritten note. He launches the ServiceNow AI Lens in standalone mode, captures the handwritten note, and clicks Analyze. ServiceNow AI Lens transcribes every word, even messy handwriting. The preview shows the complete text, ready to copy and use anywhere. ServiceNow AI Lens bridges visual data and ServiceNow workflows. Scan error logs, convert handwritten notes, extract insights from any screen with no templates or training required. Just point, scan, and let generative AI do the work.